Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to build approval workflow in Zoho People. All right, so basically we're trying to find someone to set as an approver, okay? Say, for example, we go head over to settings right here as an admin or a manager, okay? As you can see, we have a ton of service, okay? You have onboarding, leave tracker, attendance, shifts, time tracker, so on and so forth. Let's say, for example, under shifts, okay? When you click on shift, you have the approval section right here or approval tab at the top. When you click on it, as you can see here, I have this one, it says a shift change, okay? You can go ahead and click on add approval at the top. Now, once that's done, give it a name, okay? Approval name, maybe a shift change 2. So give it a description if you want to. And then once done, if you want to add in criteria, like if you want this certain workflow to be triggered when a following criteria requirements are satisfied, okay? Just click on it. But the important thing, or the most important thing that you need to configure in here is the approver, okay? So basically, if you don't want it to be auto-approved, okay, just click on this option. Now what you'll do, it says here reporting to who? Single level, 2 levels, or 10 levels, okay? For example, you have a organization tree. This guy right here at the bottom will report to the top, and this guy right here at the top will report to the top as well, okay? So you can change that in here. Maybe the approver will only be the owner, department head of the record owner, or maybe just the approver based on role. This is set up differently, okay? Or maybe just the department head of each department can approve, okay? So just for example, I'm going to go ahead and select this one. And then once that's done, you can go ahead and enable follow-up option for this approval, okay? If not, just leave it and just click on add. That's basically it. Now, when someone asks for a shift change, you right here as the owner will receive a notification just like this, okay? Now, another option will show you that other services right here got approvals as well. Let's say leave tracker. Okay, you have approvals in here, as you can see. For example, for FMLA, when someone requests a leave, okay, for FMLA, there is a certain person within the organization that can approve the specific request. Different, all right, or different person for the sick leave approval and some other options depending on how you want it to be, okay? Attendance right here, same goes to attendance. We have approvals. All right, well, that's basically it. I hope you get the point now, and that's how you build approval workflow in Zoho People. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.